Oh yeah, baby. So this is two pieces put together, and I went on ahead and grind it, and where you can't even see the seam, So your boy is getting really good. Push it together, so I gotta clean all this up and get all that. I'm gonna do all this tomorrow. It's too late, Too late, so I'm gonna grind all this stuff and here we go. The other side, the top side. So I'm gonna grind this away and get that all cleaned up just like the bottom. Stay tuned. Did that widening, man. That shit really look good.